How to play music on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I show you how to play music on your Windows PC using popular music streaming services like Spotify. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to spotify.com. Click on download at the top right corner and follow the instructions to install the Spotify app on your PC. Once installed, open the Spotify app and log in with your account. If you don't have an account, click sign up and create one. After logging in, you'll see the Spotify dashboard with various playlists, albums, and artists. Use the search bar at the top to find your favorite songs, artists, or albums. Click on the song you want to play and it will start playing automatically. You can create your own playlist by clicking Create Playlist on the left sidebar. Name your playlist, then add songs by right-clicking on them and selecting Add to Playlist. Then select the playlist from the list menu. Both Spotify and Apple Music, you can adjust playback settings such as shuffle, repeat, and volume using the controls at the bottom of the app. Customize your listening experience by exploring options like crossfade, equalizer settings, and more in the app's settings menu. And that's it. Now you know how to play music on your Windows PC using Spotify and other platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.